At Mighty Products, we get a lot of questions about the use and purposes of some of our products. One we get asked about a lot is the axle strap. Axle straps are used by auto haulers to secure around the car's front or rear axles for hauling and securement purposes. At Mighty Products, we sell the axle ratchet strap with a floating D-ring. The purpose of the floating D-ring on the strap is for adjustability. The location of the D-ring can be shifted up or down the strap so that it is at the perfect length to fit around the car's axle while being secured to your trailer or ramp. The floating D-ring comes with one hook end fitting, which you use to clip onto the D-ring once you've placed the strap over the axle. Bring the hook end fitting over the top of the vehicle's axle. Once you've brought it around, adjust the D-ring to be as close to the axle as you can before you clip the hook to the D-ring. As you secure this strap, make sure the protective sleeve is snug around the axle. Every car is built different. The distance between an axle and securement points may differ from haul to haul, so always adjust the floating D-ring. As previously mentioned, this strap comes with a ratchet end as well. The ratchet is used on the other end of the strap to get rid of extra slack and properly secure your vehicle. Bring the other end of the strap through the ratchet and begin ratcheting the extra webbing until the strap is tight and tied down. Another option besides the Ratchet Axle Strap is the dual D-ring strap. It comes with two D-ring end fittings and a protective sleeve. This is an alternative way to use axle straps, where you have a separate strap that goes over the axle and then use a hook to attach the double D-rings and secure the car. For more trucking tips and help, subscribe down below and visit our website for product information and purchasing. Haul safe and earn more with Mighty Products.